Hi everyone, and welcome to our webinar today titled Microsoft Photos. Let me share my screen and start together with the presentation. Microsoft Photos, use of Microsoft tools for better learning outcomes. I have to highlight here all educators that are planning to join MIEE Expert Program for Round 2 in November. There are questions using Microsoft tools about the use of Microsoft tools in the classroom. It could be how educators are using these tools to support other new educators, or it could be using these tools to support different learning needs and abilities in the classroom. Otherwise, it could be like a learning artifact where students should demonstrate what they have learned about a specific topic, and they're going to use Microsoft tools as a video editor or video creator, and then to share the link in the nomination questions sheet. So hopefully it will be a successful and supporting session for all new educators, whether they're going to apply or not. My name is Farah Ristom, Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, Microsoft Certified Trainer, and Microsoft Certified Educator. Welcome to all questions, all clarifications, all ideas at the end of the session. Starting together, I will start with an overview. You're going to see the platform and how we're going to go to get the application if we don't have it, how to create a video project from scratch, how to import the photos from the PC or from the web or from an album. Also, we're going to see how to place the photos in the storyboard. We're going to adjust the storyboard, add title cards, change the places of the photos, and so on. We're going to learn how to use different types of editing effects, such as text, 3D objects, filters, and others. Also, we're going to add the music, background music. We'll see how to publish the video, and at the end, I will show the educators how to upload this learning artifact to the OneDrive and how to share it in the nomination questions sheet. So let's start now with an overview. First of all, we're going to see together how we're going to get Microsoft Photos. I will get this link here. Okay, copy the link or Control-C, and I can show you how to get this link. You can just paste it here, and here where you can get the photo, Microsoft Photos application, get started and launch, okay, using this blue button. So I will scroll up little by little so that you can have an idea about the page. Easy and simple. You just paste it and immediately you can scroll down and start launching the application. Back to my presentation now, okay? And we will start together. What are the benefits of Microsoft Photos? Actually, it's very nice and easy for educators and for the students as well. It's very easy to organize the photos, to edit the photos, to share the photos with others, to create albums, to create videos from clips and from photos as a remix. Also, to use the video editor for fine-tuned adjustments, adding different types of effects, images, text, filters, motion, and others. What is video editor? Actually, in Windows 10, video editor is a full feature. It's a video creation with editing tools. And these will help the students and the teachers to create a story, to create a project, to create type of assessment, to show the learning outcomes and to demonstrate the students what they have learned about a specific lesson, as I have said, by adding music, text, motion, 3D effects, and others. By the way, video editor is the successor to Movie Maker. For the ones who have already, they know about the Movie Maker. However, here we have a focus on easy to use creative tools. Okay, so let's start now with a plenary. I'll give you 1 minute. Just think how you can use Microsoft Photos with your students. Now, let's move to number 2, and to create a video project. We will see together how to create a video project from scratch. I will go to Photos app, which already I have it in my toolbar here. Pin, you can unpin from taskbar, and you can pin to the taskbar, so you can easily access the application. So here, as you can see, it's a simple and easy to use homepage or platform. As you can see here, you can search for people or place or any video here. Okay, you can just, if you want ebooks, and you can search for ebooks for kids, and you will have ebooks immediately. This is a sample, for example. We can check together so that you can have an idea what do I mean by a project or a video project. I can have all the images that I want. For example, this is a project ebooks for kids as a free learning resource to support students with different learning abilities, with different subjects and with different ages, as you can see here. And here are all the images in the storyboard already that you are viewing. You can view in this section. As you can see here, it's a video and a short video. And now I can go back to the video editor so that we can start from scratch. If I have any project that I don't want, and I have created, for example, here by mistake, as you can see here, and back to video editor, and I want to delete, I just select this project and I can remove. Number 2, if I want to sort these projects, I can sort them, modify the newest order by alphabetical order. Number 3, immediately now we're going to go and start together with a blank project. New video project. If you click on a new project, first of all, you have to give it a name. Okay, I am a science teacher and I have asked my students after animals and explaining the types of animals to create a learning artifact about the types of animals. So animals, we will start with animals classifications. Okay. And now I have given a name to my video, and okay, I have started. I have any edits, I can do it. Change video title. I can edit easily. Either, for example, if I want to add anything here, I don't know, as or whatever, or exclamation mark, I can use it easily. Number 2, I have to go to the project library. The project library is where I have to add the photos or the clips to start my project. I press on the add button. I can select from this PC or from my collection or from the web. So I will start from PC. So I will start selecting from my PC. As you can see here, I have a folder with different images about animals. Okay, I can start here. For example, I will click on control, and then I will select different images: birds, fish, library, mammals, what else? Reptiles. Okay, and now here, okay. So I have all the storyboard. I have all the photos that I want to add to my storyboard. I have different ways to see these photos. I can see them as medium. Okay, medium size. Can you see them? But as long as there are many, I prefer to use the small view. Okay, now I want to add these photos to the storyboard. I have different ways to add them. Either I can select and just drag them all here, 7 photos to the storyboard, or I can select one by one. For example, I want this one, I can drag it. I have selected only 5, for example. I have this one, I want to drag. I have added something here. What else? Also, I have, let me check here what we have. Maybe this one I want to add here. Also, I want to add the birds. Okay, fine, I have added the photos that I want. Now I have them all in the storyboard. Okay, fine. I can check all the photos that I want here. No, I don't want this. I will select, and I don't want this photo, which is not related to the project. Okay, I have selected them, and now I can remove. I can remove by pressing and selecting this trash. Fine. Now I'm ready to start my project. Number 1, I have to add titles. Add titles here, for example, I can add title. Adding titles, I can add text. By adding text here, for example, the first thing that I want to add here by text, for example, I will write the title, which is animal classifications. Animal classifications, this means I can just change the text. I can use boom, for example, and I can change the layout. I want it top, left, right, okay, in the middle, and so on. And done. Now, so this is number 1. Number 2, I have this picture and this photo, as you can see here, all types of animals. Great. So if I want to add another title, I have to click on the image, and then I will add a title. It will be before the image. Okay, what's the title here? I can press again text, but this time I will add fish. I can change the text style, and I can change the layout, and done. Number 3 here, I have the birds. Okay, the birds, what I want to change with the birds, I want to add also a title card. If I have added the title card here, for example, I have selected the mammals and pressed on the title card will be before the mammals. Okay, so I can add a text as I will show you here, but it will be mammals, okay? And I will change this mammals. I will select also a different layout, as you can see here, and done. But this time I want to add a title for the birds. So what shall I do? Right-click and copy, and then paste. Okay, paste the title card. I will drag the title card, and then I will add the name, but this time I will change it to birds. But I'm still using the same style and the same layout of the mammals. And now here I can do the same by copying, but this time I will paste one for the reptiles, okay? And I will change here the reptiles, as you can see here, and we have tried different ways, or different text styles, and I will move it down. And for the last one, I will change the text. It will be reptiles, I think, the last one. Okay, and I will make it as Joy and done. So now we have added title card and using different ways of adding title cards and adding the text and using the copy and using the paste and using the add title card button. What about the duration? We can use a duration for every single picture. For example, this one, I want to select the first one. I will make it 1 second. However, for the fish, I want to make it 2 seconds. And for the title cards, all the title cards, for example, I want to add 1 duration for all these titles, for all these cards. And I want to make the duration 2 seconds. So it's up to you also to add the timing and the duration for all the images, for all the photos that you have added. Okay, now back and we will start using now, starting from the first image, we will start using text, but this time the text will be inside the image. So I select and here text, and I will write here, for example, animal, okay, types. Okay, I will change it. Could be this one, could be this one, and I will write here, I will change the layout and animal types and done. So this is the first effect we are using from the editing tools. What about this photo? What I'm going to add? I'm going to add motion. We have different types of motion. As you can see here, we have the pan, we have this one. I can add zoom and center, okay? And zoom and center, and I can make the motion for 3 seconds as well. Fine. Now we want to check the 3D effects. I will select the birds and I will add 3D effects on the bird's image. We have the effects. As you can see here, I can select different types of effects. I can search for the effect that I want, and I can go one by one and select the effect that I want. So we can have here, for example, what we have. Sorry, the effect one more time. I can select this one colored, and now I can add this effect now to my image. Now moving to the mammals, okay? I want now to add 3D effects, but to the mammals, I will use the 3D library. So we're going to use the 3D library. As you can see here, for example, I want to add any of the hearts here, for example, or a red heart, or whatever you can see, or a flower, or a cloud. Let's check. Okay, we can use all this here we have. So always you can add any effect, but which is related to the image. Actually, we are just giving a try now, and we'll see how it will look like. Few minutes it takes. It takes just, okay, now it's loading. Still loading, just we have to wait a little bit. We will try it one more time. It's still loading. And as I have said that you can add from the 3D library. We have also effects we can add to the same image. And we have also the buttons here at the top. As you can see, we have text, we have motion, 3D effects, and filters. If you add something you don't want, you can undo and you can redo. I will try it one more time. Let me check if I can add one more time. We are just trying to load the effect. We will see. We will see it just now in a few seconds. Hopefully it will work. Actually, there are many nice effects and the 3D objects that you can add easily. You can resize the object, you can rotate the object, you can change its place. We are trying actually to show you how it works. We have quick animations. Okay, let me try another one or check so that could be something we can add. Let me add this cloud, maybe it works. I'm trying to add any effect now so that you can see how it works. We have also the filters, as I told you. Okay, now, sorry for the delay. Okay, now I have, okay, this one. As you can see here, I can change it, swing, okay, swinging. I can resize it, rotate, okay, as you can see, and then here I can just, if I'm done, I will press on done button, and then I will have the effect, the 3D object on the image or the photo. So done here, and I have it on the photo. So now we are done with the mammals. And finally, we have here, we have the reptiles, or this one here. This is for the reptiles, I think. This is the text for the reptiles. Okay, great. I want to add background. As you can see, we have different backgrounds from here, and I can select the custom. If I don't have this color, and I can just select and add a new custom color, and okay, I have a new background. And then now here for the reptiles, okay, I will drag the reptiles, the title here, and this one, for example, I don't want anymore, I can delete it. And I think that we have added and we have used all these effects for the storyboard. So now, can we add more than one effect? Yes, of course, we can add, for example, here for the birds, I can add effects. I will try to show you how can we add two effects at the same time. Of course, we can. We can add here, for example, this here effect, another effect here. Okay. And this is here done. And I can select it one more time, for example, and I can add another effect, which is from the 3D library, 3D object. Okay, I will show you another 3D object in few. Okay, now here, for example, let's check the trees, the nature. I can add this one, for example, also, and it's loading. So I can add more than one effect, or I can add text at the same time using one image. So also few seconds for loading, and we will have the image here. I'm trying to load this one so that this image, 3D object, you can have more than effect on the same image. Okay. So let's wait a little bit. But if it didn't work, you can try it later. I'm trying my best to show you more than one. Anyway, by now you know how to add more than one and to use the editing tools. What about these three dots? You can remove them all. Now we are ready, and we want to check and to add background music. So up here, background music, and I will add the background music just now. As you can see here, magical season, and done. Okay, I have added music to my project. So back here to the start or rewind, you can, and here the background music. Okay, I have also a kit party here and done, and I can check my video before I can finish and export. So you can see here the video. Okay, you can see the video and we can start now. Done, and I'm ready. I just finished video. Press on finish video and I can export my video. So exporting the video, you can export the video or you can leave it in the download here, and you can just exporting in any folder on the desktop or leave it in the download folder. Now we have here, for example, we can just wait for a few seconds and then we will export the video, and I will show you the last steps how to upload it to the OneDrive. So now ready, and we have the video exported and ready to watch. As I have said that this is the video that we have just created from blank. And as I have said, if I want to consider it as a learning artifact, I want to share the URL and the nomination question sheet. Okay, so ready now. What I'm going to do, I'm back to my presentation. And now we have, before I will just review the steps together, creating a video from scratch. And then here we have started creating a video from scratch, give it a name, and then import photos, and then add the photos, and then place them in the storyboard. You can select different types of ways you can select by dragging or by selecting. Here we have storyboard options. I can add music background. I can publish my video. And now the conclusion, I want to upload it so that I can use it as a simple artifact. I will check here back to my OneDrive. Just I will show you the steps how to upload it. This is my OneDrive. I will upload this video from files. Okay, and now it will be uploaded. I will select it from the download here and back to my OneDrive, and it is uploaded. Okay, so you will have it uploaded from the OneDrive, and this is where you will create a URL to share it in the nomination question sheet. I'm trying now to upload, okay, and I'm uploading the item. I have one item now, and it is uploaded. I think here it is. So what I'm going to do, how I'm going to share it, simply here, if you select this the project, you can share. Okay, get the link, get a link from here, copy it, and this is the nomination sheet that already I have, the MIEE expert nomination questions sheet. I just pasted, and this if it is an artifact, so you have to go to phase 3 and to paste the URL here, for example, and you can paste it and you save it so that you can copy later all the links and the evidences to the website page. So by now, I'm back here. We are done. by creating a project using Microsoft Photos. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll meet later on with more sessions, with more successful and supporting sessions. Bye for everyone now.